this one I'll be showing you a very weird artifact I discovered east of Asimov on Mars. It looks very similar to the Rock Ship of Masuda found in Japan. There's a photograph of the Rock Ship of Masuda located in the Asuka Region of Japan, also known as the place of flying birds. The specifications, it's 11 meters long, 8 meters wide and 4.7 meters tall, and it weighs approximately 1,000 tons. The JP2 photograph in which I found this artifact is called Proposed MSL Site in Southern Mid-Latitude Craters. It was acquired on the 1st of June 2007 at a very high res of 25.2 centimeters per pixel. The anomalies were cropped from the JP2 black and white map projected file. There's a look at the low-res black and white, and the anomalies are scattered throughout this rather flat terrain east of Asimov. This site is located 49.18 degrees south, 14.51 degrees east in this region just to the east of Asimov, and there's a ton of anomalies in this region that I'll show you towards the end of the video, so do stay tuned for those. There's dozens of anomalies in this JP2 photograph, so I'll be doing a follow-up series after this one, so do check that out. The anomaly we're looking at here is located to the bottom left, and it's about 5.5 meters long and about 4 meters wide. Of special interest is this rounded part in the front and the stepped feature here in the center. Very similar to the design of this rock or stone found in Japan. We also have the rounded part as we have over there, and the stepped features in the center on both. Rather interesting. Is this a coincidence, or are we looking at something of intelligent design and possibly something of a mechanical nature over there? The other anomaly that I want to show you in this video is located here in the center, and it's about 9 meters long and about 4 meters wide, and it consists of a larger piece at the back and a strange scoop-like part in the front. Check it, the ridge lines over here, they're parallel to one another. There in the center we've got that circular part, and also what appears to be a hole in this back part. It looks almost like a vent. So we're looking at some more technology over here, maybe some type of craft or vehicle, who knows. And there they are for comparison. Very artificial looking objects indeed. Let's go ahead and check out these anomalies as well as others in the vicinity. And there's the JP2 I analyzed. Possible MSL or rover landing site. It would have been very nice if NASA chose to land the rover over there. We need side views of these anomalies. There's Asimov to the west, so let's check out some of the water seeping up through the Martian surface over there. Those long dark streaks, looks like wet sand. And then let's check out the anomalies in Asimov. This reminds me of the ancient city of Atlantis. This looks like it was some type of water world surrounded by these moats. Check out that half a face over there. Got the eye over here and the nose, and the chin seems to have broken off. This is also where we have that huge monolithic block, about 77 meters long and about 33 meters wide. My friend Saturn Arc made these discoveries. There's another block over there. Not sure if this is a protrusion or knob on the right, or whether this is maybe an arch with the light shining through from the left to right. And we have a perfect example of a megalithic block over there as well. You get the detail of that piece that's been cut into the one corner. And then we've got these massive blocks that seem to have moved apart, that were part of what could have been retaining walls. There's the Quimbaya lookalike on Mars. That's about 20 meters long. Got the delta-shaped wing over there and the tail at the back. And then a disk seems to be buried underneath what looks like wreckage on the top, and then various sheet metal type of anomalies as well. This looks like a huge fossilized shell. Found many of those on Mars as well. And then various blocks with protrusions or knobs on them. So a ton of these half discs or quarter discs on Mars. And then many examples of these round geometric circular patterns on Mars. Strange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided object over there, and found lots of these blocks in this JP2 as well, same size, also with protrusions or knobs on them. There's another one of these almost perfect spherical objects, and to the left we've got 3 smaller parts arranged in a symmetrical pattern in front of it. And also this is where I found those 2 anomalies that look very similar to that one found in Napta Playa, Egypt. Two disc-like parts on top of that, pointing in the same direction. Looks like a typical UFO with the dome and disc crashed into that there. Who knows what that is. Also looks like a little craft. A very ornate design in that. We've got this hollowed out piece over there. Wonder if that's some type of landing pad or dish. More discs. More megalithic blocks. It's almost like that one's raised above the surface, like a dolmen's roof. More perfect straight edges, triangles. Are we looking at intelligent design here or naturally occurring geological processes. Who knows? Let's have a chat in the comments below. I look forward to reading your opinions and your take on these. Do stay tuned for the next series, which will be looking at the other artifacts I found in this JP2, probably a two-part series. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.